Okay, in my defense, I didn't lie. I just forgot to say the whole truth.
Affan, you told your boss you worked all weekend. You didn't work all weekend. You watched Netflix and ate biscuits.
That is also a kind of work.
This is the exact grammar mistake that makes English learners sound confusing. Not knowing how to talk about yesterday. And by the end of this video, you'll never make it again.
Also, you'll learn how to lie to your boss properly. Small bonus.
We are not teaching that. Hey everyone, I'm Sophie.
And I'm Affan. And today's episode is about one thing. Yesterday.
Not literally yesterday. We mean, how do you talk about anything in the past? What you did this morning, last weekend, last year.
Because most learners know present tense fine. I eat breakfast. Easy. But the second they need to say what already happened,
Everything falls apart.
so today, regular verbs, irregular verbs, the annoying ones, negatives, questions, and a real story from both of us. Stay till the end because we're going to give you a challenge. And trust me, my story gets embarrassing. Okay, Sophie, tell me properly, what did you actually do yesterday?
All right. I woke up at 6:30. Late. For me, I usually wake up at 6.
Ooh, woke up. Past tense of wake up. Nice, keep going.
Then I made breakfast, eggs and toast. Then I walked to the supermarket because I needed vegetables. And then I cleaned my room.
You cleaned your room? On a weekday?
I know, I was shocked too. What about you?
Okay, my yesterday was not so productive. I woke up at 9. Or wait, is it waked up? No, woke up. I always forget that one.
Waked up? No, it's woke. One of the annoying ones, don't worry, we'll cover those properly in a minute.
Fine, I woke up at 9.
9?
I missed my alarm. So I jumped out of bed, I didn't eat breakfast, no time, and I ran to my laptop for a meeting.
Didn't eat. You just used a negative past tense without even thinking.
I did. And that meeting, I was 10 minutes late.
Did your boss get angry?
Let's just say I'm very glad I work from home.
Okay, listeners, did you notice? Affan and I just told 2 whole stories and every single verb changed. That's the past tense. And here's the thing, most of it isn't hard. Let's break it down.
Good news first. For most verbs in English, the past tense is really easy.
Really easy. You just add 2 letters, ed.
Walk becomes walked. Cook becomes cooked. Clean becomes cleaned.
Quick test. Play.
Played. I played a game last night.
Listen.
Listened. I listened to music this morning.
Watch.
Watched. I watched a movie yesterday. See the pattern?
These are called regular verbs, and honestly, most English verbs are regular. So you already know more than you think.
Sophie, there's bad news. Here's bad news.
Oh no.
Not every verb follows the rule. Some are irregular. And these are the ones that actually confuse people.
So instead of just talking about it, let's actually show you. Watch this model dialogue for actual use of past tense and concentrate on verbs.
Hey, so how was your weekend?
It was good, actually. On Saturday, I woke up late and just chilled at home.
Nice. I cleaned my flat on Saturday morning, then I watched a movie in the evening.
Oh, nice. I cooked dinner for my family too. We tried a new recipe.
That sounds fun. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, we did. But I didn't finish all the food.
What about Sunday? On Sunday, I went to the gym, then I met my friend for coffee.
Oh, cool. Where did you go?
We went to a new cafe near my place. The coffee was amazing.
I didn't go out at all on Sunday, actually. I just wound down and read a book.
That sounds relaxing. Did you catch up on any sleep?
Definitely. I nodded off on the sofa twice.
Honestly, I overslept. I didn't wake up until 8, so I rushed around like crazy.
Classic. Did you make it on time?
Just about. I ran to the bus stop and jumped on right before it left.
Lucky you. Well, sounds like we both had a decent weekend overall.
Definitely. Same time next week?
For sure.
Okay, that was interesting, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. Listeners, did you notice the past verbs?
Okay, now that you've seen the pattern, I want to test US. Full stories, no script.
Wait, no script? Affan, that's dangerous for you specifically.
Challenge accepted. Anyway, listeners, count how many past tense verbs you hear in my story. I bet it's over 20.
Go.
Yesterday, I woke up at 9 o'clock. Very late. I jumped out of bed and looked at my phone. 5 missed calls from my boss. 5.
Oh no.
So I called him back immediately. I said, "Sorry, I missed my alarm." He said, "No problem, but we have the presentation at 10.
Did you make it?
I did. I worked fast, opened my laptop, checked my notes, prepared everything in 20 minutes. At 10, the presentation started. I spoke for 30 minutes, and it went well.
Good ending.
But I didn't eat breakfast. So by 11, I was starving. I went to the kitchen, opened the fridge. Nothing. Empty.
Classic.
So I ordered food, ate a big lunch at my desk, wrote emails, called 2 clients, finished a report. At 5, I closed my laptop and thought, what a day.
Affan, that's incredible. I counted woke up, jumped, looked, called, said, worked, opened, checked, prepared, spoke, went, ordered, ate, wrote, finished, closed. 16.
Some regular, some irregular. Your turn. Go for it.
Yesterday, I woke up at 6:30. Much better than Affan.
Rude, but fair.
I made coffee, ate toast with eggs, then went for a 30-minute walk. Beautiful weather. Came home, started work, had 3 meetings.
3?
3. By lunch, I was exhausted. So I took a break, ate lunch outside, a salad near my house. In the afternoon, I worked on a new project, wrote emails, called my mum. We talked for 20 minutes about her garden.
Nice.
Then at 5, I went to the supermarket, bought vegetables and rice for dinner.
Bought. Past of buy. That one trips people up.
Came home, cooked dinner, vegetable soup. It was okay. Watched 1 episode of my show, went to bed at 10. Slept really well.
What a day. And what a lot of past tense.
Did you catch them all? Woke up, made, ate, went, came, had, took, worked, wrote, called, talked, bought, cooked, watched, slept.
Regular ones. Worked, talked, cooked, watched. All with ed.
Irregular ones. Woke, made, ate, went, came, had, took, wrote, bought, slept.
Quick tip. For negative or when something did not happen, use didn't plus the base verb.
Hear this part of model dialogue carefully.
I didn't finish all the food. I didn't go out at all on Sunday, actually.
Yes, that's clear. And some more examples are, I didn't eat breakfast. She didn't sleep well. We didn't watch TV.
And for questions, did you eat breakfast? Did you sleep well? Did you enjoy your day? Listen to this part of the model dialogue.
Did you make it on time?
Just about. That sounds fun. Did you enjoy it?
Where did you go?
We went to a new cafe near my place. Sounds relaxing. Did you catch up on any sleep?
Definitely.
Wow, did you see? Okay, a quick question, Sophie. Did you enjoy your day yesterday?
I did. Did you enjoy yours?
I did. Eventually.
One more thing, quickly. How do you actually signal you're talking about the past?
Words like yesterday, or last night, last week, last weekend.
Right. You just add last before the time word. And there's one more. Ago. 2 days ago. 3 weeks ago.
Ago always sounds like the start of an old story to me. A long time ago.
Exactly that feeling. So, the second you hear yesterday, last, or ago, your brain should say past tense verb changes.
Yesterday, last night, last week, 2 days ago. Got it.
Okay, remember at the start I said your story gets embarrassing? Tell them what really happened in that meeting.
Do we have to?
We do.
Fine. I said the report went well. It didn't go well. I froze for 10 seconds because I forgot my own slide.
It went well versus what actually happened.
This is why we said didn't is useful. I didn't remember my slide. I didn't look confident. But I did survive.
And that's the real lesson. Past tense isn't just grammar. It's how you tell your actual story, embarrassing bits included.
Okay, now it's your turn to actually say these, not just listen. This is called shadowing. We say a sentence, you pause and repeat it out loud. Then we say it again so you know you got it right.
6 sentences, all from today's episode. Ready? Let's go.
Number 1. I cleaned my room yesterday.
I cleaned my room yesterday.
Number 2. I watched a movie in the evening.
I watched a movie in the evening.
Number 3. Irregular one. I woke up at 6:30.
I woke up at 6:30.
Number 4. I went to the gym.
I went to the gym.
Number 5. A negative. I didn't finish all the food.
I didn't finish all the food.
Last one. A question. Did you enjoy it?
Did you enjoy it?
Nice work. Say all 6 again later today, out loud, and it'll stick even faster.
Okay, before we wrap up, quick quiz. I'll say a sentence with the verb missing. You give me the past tense. Ready?
Ready. Don't make it too easy on me.
Number 1. Yesterday I to the park. Verb, go.
Went. Yesterday I went to the park.
Correct. Number 2. Last night she blank a delicious dinner. Verb is cook.
Cooked. She cooked a delicious dinner.
Number 3. Last weekend they blank a movie. Verb is watch.
Watched. Easy.
Number 4. 2 days ago I blank a new book. Verb is buy.
Bought. I remembered that one.
Last one, trickier. Last night we blank sleep well. We need a negative.
Didn't. We didn't sleep well last night.
5 out of 5. Look at you.
I'm basically fluent now.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
So let's lock this in. 4 rules.
1. Regular verbs add ed. Walk, walked. Cook, cooked. Play, played.
2. Irregular verbs change completely. Go, went. Eat, ate. Have, had. Wake, woke. Sleep, slept.
3. Negatives use didn't plus base verb. I didn't go. I didn't eat.
4. Questions use did you go? Did you eat?
That's it. That's the whole system. You already know it now.
Now it's your turn. In the comments, what did you do yesterday? 3 sentences minimum.
Try to use at least one irregular verb. Go, went. Eat, ate. Have, had.
We read every single comment. And honestly, we will know if you cheated and used present tense.
We will find you.
If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for listening. And remember, practice makes...
Practice makes perfect. That one's always true, so we use present tense.
You're learning. Bye, everyone.
Before going further, please don't forget to like,
Share and subscribe.
It will help us to bring more engaging videos for you.